Welcome to Stuck in Nostalgia, and let's play Stuck in Nostalgia again once we play. We are not playing, but you know. I'd like to try. So, I don't know if this one's Spider-Man. Opening a blind box here. I don't know if it's Spider-Man or not, but, or if it's just Marvel. Let's see. It includes 25 stickers, sticker activity surprise, odd one set C black panel. This could be the Spider-Man, or could be something else, a different kind of Marvel. I'm not too sure. It just has Spider-Man on it, so it looks like it's probably Spider-Man or a character. I'm gonna go with Jane's character or Spider-Man itself. If I could get it open. Okay, there we go. These are actually just from the dollar. Like this one here, only this one, and then one more that's not on the list, but will be another day. Just not today. That one's from the Dollar Tree, actually. So let's see. Do we think... I'm going to just guess it's Spider-Man. Oh. Or not at all. Oh, it's a pen. So there's a pen. Okay. Neat. And oh, well, that broke. That's a Dollar Tree, so what do you expect, right? And then little stickers, I guess. Can you make, I guess you could color in your own comic. Neat. And then a bunch of Spider-Man stickers. That's cool. Neat. So you can get that at the Dollar Tree. Well, since this one is blank, okay, I was like, does it have my phone address? But it does not. This one is blank, so I have no idea, but I believe they were all Disney when I purchased them. So I'm going to take a wild guess here and say Sully from Monsters, Inc. because he was the first one that came to mind. So let's see here. And the box is a bit ruined, so, which is unfortunate when that happens. Some of these boxes, I tell ya. Okay, what is this? Oh, it's not Sully. It is Stitch. And a little pumpkin. Oh, that's so cute. Let's take her out. I'm just dropping everything tonight, aren't I? Okay, we got a little Stitcheroonie with a little candle prop. Okay, I have to figure out how this is placed. And just to sit, like, you get a little top. Oh, okay, no, that's not it. Just a cute little display. There we go. Yeah, it's like a Halloween version of Stitch. Okay, I'm gonna just do this quickly. It's all gonna come off. That's cute. Okay. There we go. That's cute. Okay. Okay, add that to the collection, and then we have two more to go. So we have this one, Where's the Rabbit, and in a little bit of an nicer box. Another Where's the Rabbit. So it could have one of these 6 in it, which is Donald Duck, Winnie the Pooh, Judy, Thumper, Miss Bunny, or Stitch. And since we've gotten a lot of the main Disney characters, I'm going to say Judy. I'm going to go with Judy. Let's go with Judy. I don't think it is. I think it's sadly not Judy, but I think it's Donald Duck, because I saw a little piece of paper that kind of gave it away. Sorry, I saw a little piece of paper that kind of gave it away. And it is Donald Duck. Look how cute. I like the little, oh, I don't know how to explain it, but like just the little look of him. It's adorable. Okay, so we have that one. And to the last one. It says to open it with scissors, or it has like the scissors. Yeah, you don't need scissors for these. Definitely not. Oh yeah, I forgot to guess for this one. So we got Donald Duck. It's the same box. Let's go with Miss Bunny. Let's say that we got Miss Bunny. Or actually, no, we didn't get Judy. So yeah, this is the thing I saw. So I was like, oh, it's definitely, Donald. But let's still stick to Judy. We got... Oh, it doesn't come with a card. Maybe because she's not Disney. But it looks like we got Miss Bunny here. Cute. So cute. Okay. We got little Miss Bunny here, and I like how big they are. They're actually a decent size of for like a little knick-knack kind of thing. But they are she is a little off color unless it's not the same thing. But it looks like it is, so. But it's cute. Okay. Just reminiscing over these. They're actually really cute. Okay, that's it. So we got Stitch. We got Donald Duck. We got what was her name? Oh my gosh. Miss Bunny. And we got... what was the other thing? Oh, some stickers. So that was cool too. And that is it for me. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. We'll chat soon. Bye now.